Hello, my YouTube friends. I got a package here that I never thought was going to arrive for Christmas, considering Canada Post has been so slow lately that I didn't think it was going to arrive. But I've been waiting a long time for this, and this package comes from a very, very close friend of mine in Denmark, Thomas, and he gives me a note too. Hi, Jason. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Here you have your device and new few PCBs from me to you. Hope you have a very nice Christmas and lots in here for you to play with. Wink. All the best, Thomas, your very best friend in Danish. That's awesome. I know one thing that's in this box, and it's something that I've been waiting for a long time. Maybe I've said in a couple YouTube videos that I'm building my lab up to do more audio-related projects and measuring, and taken me a couple years to acquire some equipment, and this right here is one of the main pieces I've really wanted. And so let's open it up and see what else he sent me, because yeah, this is a big box for such a small piece. Ooh. It smells like it's been sitting in a truck. Let's go like this. Put some foam. I like that stuff for packing. Ooh. So we got something from TL Tech Decoration. What do we got in here? We have... Oh, I know what this is. This is a something I really like. Surface mount amplifiers. Look at that. Look at the detail on this. Look how small is everything on there. A lot of people tell me, you can't make an SMD amplifier that small and real powerful. Proof, right there. So I got a circuit board. I don't know if I'm going to be able to build this or not. I'll have to ask Thomas. If not, then it'll go on my wall for art, because I really like some of the stuff he does. What really intrigued him probably to sell this is, or send me this, is because I'm always commenting on some of his designs that he does, and he's just got some, like, he's very well organized. It's so clear, it's tidy, and it flows properly. And it's just, I can tell that he's really, I'll use the word anal, because it's very tight tolerances and everything's cleanly laid out. And in some of the pictures he sent me of some of his other designs, they look like mini cities, but he's done it so well. So that's cool. What's this? Can't really tell what's in here. Oh, I think I know what this is. Sorry guys, the box might be in the way here, but there's lots of stuff in the box here, it looks like. So we got some push connectors where you solder them to the board. I can't remember what these are called, but you can put your wires in there, the little screw terminal. Sent me 2 different kinds. And what else is in here? There's a Bluetooth module, an ESP12S. Oh, guess what I'm going to be learning how to do? I have no idea how to program. I suck at it, and he knows that. So, yeah, we'll put these goodies back in there. That might come in handy for something. Let's keep this stuff together. Thomas is one of the guys that spent, I would say, a lot of time with me, helping me design something that I've wanted to do for the last 10 years. These little whiteboards. You guys want to see it? Fortunately, I made one mistake on them, but it was only $3 for 10 boards or so. So it was just a trial error for me. So it's got a little, it's called an SSR, solid state relay. It's got a little tiny transformer on it. I'll show you the real thing. Actually, right here. Looks like this. So on the back of your amplifier, this will bolt to the speaker terminals, and it's self-powered. So it's got 110 volts in, your 2 MOSFET relays with a comparator that checks voltages, and it's got a bunch of other parts on there. I'm not going to give too much detail, but Thomas helped me design this from the ground up. It's got an LED to tell me it's got power. I've added a little SMD fuse, so they should work. That's what that looks like. My yellow wire is my air, and this resistor on here is because I put the wrong value on the first version, which changes the time of when it turns on. But evaluation boards, so that's what happens when you do that. But the whole purpose of this module is to put into an amplifier so it could detect DC offset and turn off real quick, I think around 200 nanoseconds, so your speaker doesn't get blown on the output, and this will stop that. So that's where a lot of this is coming from. So what else do we got? That goes for that. In here, oh, hey, this is cool. Oh, I think this goes for this big board that's in here. I don't know if I have all the pieces to build this device, but I could see what this one piece is that he sent me. This is a little micro OLED display. That's tiny. That's awesome. Thank you, Thomas. Oh, and he sent the connector that goes with it too. You guys probably can't see it, but it's in there. Oh, man. Okay, okay. Yeah. The very first picture that Thomas and I exchanged together was something that he showed on one of my Facebook groups that I was part of. Yes, I'm getting rid of Facebook. I hate it. Sorry. He sent me a business card. Thomas, definitely keeping that. A couple little circuit boards. I don't know what these are for. Can't really see what they are, but that's easy to fix. I just have to send him a message and say, hey, buddy, what are these two little guys for? We'll find out what that is. Put that in a little static bag here so we don't wreck them. What else do we got? Keychain. Oh, everybody likes a keychain. That's definitely going to go on my key. TL Tech. Yeah, definitely going to keep that. He's got a little brochure here of some of his products. Oh, that's nice. Some nice products. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. I'll put this all away here, and I'll put my keychain on in a bit here. What else? This. Nobody knows what this is. I hope I'm allowed to show this to people. I can't see why I wouldn't be able to. Get rid of this piece of cardboard too. This is Thomas's. I'll put a picture in the video of what this looks like, because right now you just see it along circuit board, which won't make sense. But in the picture, it shows right here there's an LCD, and it gives you all the readout of what the actual unit's doing. This is where the Bluetooth module goes, so he can program it and get statistics and data from what he's measuring. And these are all binding posts. So in the picture, you'll see he's got a whole bunch of binding posts where he can measure different points. It's actually an amplifier, and it even says it right on here. Remote controlled 1600 watt power resistor switch and measuring load board. It doesn't say load board, but I know what it does because I've seen it. So the point of this is to self-power the whole module and plug in your amplifier and then plug in your scope and other devices so you can see what's going on. But this will sense and detect, or not detect, but it will ramp an amplifier up so you can see what it's doing under certain loads, and does it really nice. It's very sophisticated, and I really like it. So when you sent me that picture, ever since then, what, a year and a half ago? We've been talking since then, and really nice guy, awesome guy. Get along with him very well. We've done a couple of video chats, and he doesn't speak. He thinks he doesn't speak good English, but he actually does. He speaks real fine English, and it's pretty good. So he sent me one of these. I'm not sure if I'll be able to build one or not because I don't know how to program it. But yeah, if not, then it'll go on my wall. It looks pretty nice. I like it. Oh, there's another box in here called Toys. Let's take this box out. Get rid of some of the stuff in here. We'll put this right here. And then, yes, this is what I bought for Christmas. This is my magic tool that I got. So let's move this big box. I'm going to probably say the name of this wrong. QuantAsylum? I don't know. I call it a Q401. But anyways, nice shiny red box in here. So this is a dedicated piece of equipment to test amplifiers for THD, power levels, and many, many, many more things. I plan on doing a YouTube channel because I went on YouTube and I can't find many videos of how to go from scratch, from opening the box, installing the software, to actually using the product. I don't really see any. There's a bunch of videos, people having it hooked up and using it, but yeah, I've never used one. I've done a lot of reading. A lot of guys love these devices for working on amplifiers. As you can see, maybe not this video, but I got amplifier modules all over here. I got a box of them up here. I got my mini elves over here. I got modules over there. So this is going to show me how actually good they are and if I can improve them or not. But yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like here. Look at that. Just the top. And then in the front. So this has a 24-bit DAC, up to 192 kilobytes per second. KSPS. I probably said that wrong, didn't I? I bet you I did. Fully isolated from the PC, so if anything goes awry, if the amplifier blows up or anything like that when you're under test, it won't hurt my PC or this device. I'm not going to get into too much details for this because that's going to be a part of a mini series I'm going to do on my YouTube channel. So this will be soon coming up. And I have a dedicated machine above me bench here and a nice monitor so I can do some more recording and show what's going on. But let's look inside the box that Thomas sent me. Toys, he marks it. Toys. Haha, breadboards. Yes, I like this stuff. Actually, ordered some of the little mini boards. As you guys know, maybe on my YouTube channel, you saw a little red board that I was working on. I did P2P SSR project on this. I tried it with breadboard, the pin push breadboards, and it wasn't really working too well. I didn't really like it because I didn't know if it was making contact or not, so I gave up. That's probably why Thomas sent me this piece, so I have some spare pieces to build some more P2P stuff. Oh, an LCD. Oh, that's kind of cool. What's this for? Let's have a look here. Oh, it looks like 2 LCDs. Oh, we got a nice big one. Yeah. Doesn't say how many characters there is, but that's fine. We can Google that and find that. So we got 2 of those. That's kind of cool. Thank you, Thomas. I don't really get any packages from anybody. Nobody sends me stuff. I'm always sending things out to people, and I don't really get anything in return. So, yeah, I got something in return this time. I don't know what this is. Where's my knife? Uh-oh. Ah, there it is. Sorry for the long video, guys, here. I'm excited here. Got this yesterday and didn't even open up the box. What's this? What do we got? Looks like a chip amp. We got I don't know. I can't read that. My eyes are bad. We'll get back to that. Okay. Put that back in there. Static baggies are for reasons. Oh, a whole bunch of little transistors. JFET N channel. Oh. BF256Bs. I'm gonna have to look up what those are for. A whole bunch of them in there. Nice. Okay. Oh. Whoa. I got lots of these already, but oh, bag must have ripped. Lots of these little guys. Everybody likes these. Let's put the knife down. It's a little scary. Circuit board mount connector, so you can put wire in there. Some boxes. What else do we got in here? Looks like some other little, more of these things fell out of the baggie. What's this? So we got, whoa. Breath mints? Doubt it. Whoa, we got ICs and no way. Are these all the parts to build that thing? No, because there's, whoa. Oh no. I'm gonna have to. Okay. What's in here? Can't find the. Whoa. Oh, LT107s. Oh, those are linear voltage regulators, I think. Okay, that's probably what that little guy is, because that looks very similar. Whoa. More ICs? I don't know what the ICs are for. He probably just gave me a bunch of stuff that maybe he didn't need, or he hinting at some new projects for me or something. This one doesn't rattle, so we're sort of... It's got tape on it. Oh no! Oh no! There's a... Oh! Just a chip in there, but... Lattice ISP chip. I don't know. I'll have to Google some of this stuff. Okay. What's in here? Oh, some more of those chips. They look like 120 pin chips, maybe more. It's probably more than that on there. They're just little tiny guys. Oh, maybe I'll send you a picture. I'll show you guys. I've got some tweezers here. I'll take this. Okay. Oh, one fell out, so we'll take this one then. Whole bunch of those. Okay. And what do we got here? So we got more at Mega 168. Oh, what do we got in here? Oh yeah, those are tiny. Oh, I did say I like SMD stuff. There's another one. I'm gonna have to learn how to program those because I know they don't just come magically with beans in them to start working. What else do we got? We got one more little box. This is a 3.3 volt SRAM. Yep. Samsung maybe? No, some other brand. I can't tell because I don't have my light on above me and my magnifying glasses right here. Let's see if I can read that maybe. Let's see. What do we got? CY something, blah, blah, blah. Hard to see without the full light on. But anyways, that's pretty sweet. Got a whole bunch of goodies from Thomas. Thank you very much, Thomas. I'm going to have to send you something magical later on here. Since you sent me something, it's my turn to send you something. So, quick little video for you guys. Very excited to get my Q401 measuring. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy the load. There's another box they make that tie together. I'll send you a description in below for a link to their manufactured site. They sell a load that works with this, so you don't have to make one. Like this one I have way over here. My 3,000 watt one, or it's 1,000 watt at 8 ohms that I usually use. Might just pick up another one of those and make my own. I'm not too sure. But the whole point of this whole video was to show you that I got this. Not expecting to get anything more, but so stay tuned. A couple more videos coming of working with the Q401, and maybe I'll learn something. You'll learn something and go from there. Talk to you later.